The cool, famous Shure SM7B mic. Well, it's not just a microphone, XLR cables, audio interface, an arm to connect it to my table. As you can see, there are a lot of boxes here. I mean, this one, that one. And well, of course, the hardest part, which was installing it on my computer. It's not been a long time since I started publishing videos on YouTube. I'm still buying some equipment. After buying a soft box, I bought this little fella. And in this video, I unbox it and install it. My first arm, yeah, big mistake. I spent a lot on Reddit. Well, actually now I'm searching around YouTube to fix this problem. And YouTube. It works, okay. Hey guys, welcome to my channel. In this channel, I try to document my journey as a computer science student living in Germany. All right, here's what happened. I started with a cheap 25 euro mic, which I have it right here. This one, it was good. The sound got better, but to be honest, I wasn't planning to spend more. Until one of my videos hit 500 views. Not a huge number, but still got me hyped. So I went all in and got the legendary Shure SM7B straight from my saving. I think this is actually pretty heavy and it can't handle it. And I think I have to change it actually because it cannot take it anymore. Now we have to try. Oh, thank God. Here it is, my audio interface, and here is my microphone, and this is the video in YouTube to see what should I do exactly. Okay, this is the box and it says that I can go to this website. So let's go there. I have to register my audio interface. It asks for an interior serial number to register your product. I think this should be it. Scarlett, fourth generation, third generation, second. Okay, it's third generation and it is solo. So here we are. Let's get you started. We come down to create content. I should add a serial number. Okay. I go to register it. When did I bought it? Actually, let's go to Amazon. 22nd April. 22nd April. Type of purchase, online. Purchase location, Amazon. Submit. Okay, I got this jack adapter for my headphone to connect it to my laptop to see whether it gets fixed or not. I think there is something wrong because actually this is my audio interface and this one doesn't light up. Actually, it should have a light. Searching around the Reddit, searching around YouTube to fix this problem. They just record and the green light is already there and I cannot get that. You know, these lights are on, but these are not. Here it says it lights up when you speak to it. Actually, 1, 2, 3, 4, nothing. And actually, I have computer vision assignment, advanced computer vision assignment, and its deadline is tonight, and I don't know what to do. Apparently, they have a guide themselves on their website. Let's go. What's going on here? Wow, it's beautiful. Okay. Let's see what's going on here. Okay, it says I'll connect a pair of headphones or speakers to your Scarlett and play the video below. And play the video below to make sure you can hear it. Okay. Yeah, I can. Let's go to the next step. What would you like to do with your Scarlett? Record vocals, record guitar, record a band? Those on YouTube. So we go to that. Skip to include software. Yeah, actually, I don't want to install it. Connect the inputs to your software. Connect the inputs to your software. Okay, let's see what is going. Well, Now it says that I connect my cable, my XLR cable to the to my Focusrite, and it should work after I. Okay, at first let's connect this. I should turn this on, and if I turn it. Oh, now I hear some voices. Let me check. Now I should hear my own voice. 1, 2, 1, 2, 3, 4. Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. And as you can see, it lights up perfectly. Okay, now I can tell that this microphone is very gain hungry because I have to level up the gain to its maximum level. If you face this issue, so far in order to this Focusrite lights up, we have to put it at the maximum level, approximately maximum level, and we should talk to the microphone. Otherwise, it doesn't light up. I have to cook. And now I have to see how can I record my voice in the software. And now it tells me to install a new software. I actually have one installed, which is this. And this is it. It's so stupid. Okay, now it offers me some applications to download. Okay, it was a long search, so I just cut the rest of it. I finally ended up using a simple software called Audacity. It's so simple, not something professional. I just want to record my sound and just trim it if needed. Let's have a quick look at it. It's so simple. I just press this one and it starts recording, and I stop it with this. And as you can see, here is my sound. And when I'm done, I just go here and click on export audio and all the next steps. Well, now let's have a quick comparison between three modes. I mean, with this one, with my old mic and without any mic. First off, 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3. This was it, guys. Thank you so much for watching. Hit the like button. Don't forget to subscribe, and see you next video.